boys. Bring out the beef. Bring out the beef. Bring out the beef. Bring out the beef. Yep, there's some beef in there. Well, there they are. These are hickory slabs. They're about 7 inches and at the widest about 8.5. I'll put these on the joiner and then I'll get one side flat and then I'll rip another side on the table saw, sorry, to get them both parallel. And they're just gonna go in between the frame and the dump box. So I'll have the dump box bolted to the wood and then the frame will be bolted to the wood. As you can see, the dump box is a little bit wider. Yeah. And there's my new little toy there. It's a 6-inch joiner. It's a Walker Turner brand. It's probably pretty old. A few decades old. It's all belt driven, external belt. And there's the blade. Let's see. Yep. Pretty sweet. So that's what I'm going to use to flatten one side of the board, of the slab, and then I'll get the other side parallel using the old table saw. It's also another toy. A table saw without a fence. I gotta make a fence, so that'll be a project next year or who knows when. But that's all I got for you today, so y'all take it easy.